Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make umbrella curry. This delicious dish features tender umbrella mushrooms simmered in a rich, aromatic gravy. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients, including about 500 grams of fresh mushrooms, a large onion, 2 medium tomatoes, and a blend of fragrant spices. This recipe is perfect for a comforting meal. First, let's prepare our star ingredient, the umbrella mushrooms. After washing them thoroughly, cut them into uniform, bite-sized pieces. Next, heat about 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add the mushrooms and shallow fry them until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and any moisture has evaporated. This step enhances their flavor and texture. Now let's build the heart of our curry, the flavorful base. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once they splutter, add 1 finely chopped large onion and sauté until it's translucent and golden. Next, stir in 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, cooking for about 1 minute. Then, add 2 chopped medium tomatoes, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Cook this mixture for 5 to 7 minutes until the tomatoes are soft and the oil separates. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add your beautifully fried umbrella mushrooms to the rich curry base. Stir in 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and season with salt to your preference. Pour in about 1½ cups of water to achieve your desired gravy consistency. Let the curry simmer gently for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Garnish with fresh coriander and serve hot with rice or flatbread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.